Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by routing sound into a dedicated bus so you can process multiple channels together. Select the tracks you want, open the mixer, and add a send to bus 1. Name that bus clearly, drums, guitars, or vocal group, because you'll reference it often. Once done, set the bus format to stereo or mono and set the send level to unity. This ensures gain stays consistent. Make sure to create or show the aux channel that receives bus 1 for the next steps. Now you process the group signal on the aux channel so everything glued together behaves musically. Insert an EQ to carve space, then gentle compression to control dynamics, and optional saturation for cohesion. Use pre- or post-fader sends depending on whether you want track fader changes to affect the bus. Post-fader is typical for busing instruments. Once set, adjust each track send balance to taste, and automate either individual send levels or the aux parameters to shape Finish by putting a mastering-style chain on the bus, corrective EQ, glue compression, and a limiter for transient control. Maintain proper gain staging so headroom remains. Route the bus to your main output, and if you need a printed version, bounce the aux or re-record the bus into a new track. If things go wrong, check for phase cancellation and level mismatches. Flip track polarity, solo mid-verses side, and temporarily mute sends to isolate the culprit. You'll save mixes this way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.